Thank you so much for watching this video, and again thank you because after few seconds you're gonna subscribe my channel. Oops, it's a part of fun. But if you like this video and all of my videos in this channel, then subscribe my channel. And in this video, I will break down a cool video game console with your best budget. Let's jump on the review. Introduced with WOLSEN video game console. This one supports multiple game formats and game classifications. According to the simulator, is divided into many games such as for CPS, FC, GBA, GB, GBC, MD, SFC, PS1, Atari, MAME and so on. Easily you can connect the HD output of the TV first and insert the built-in TF game content card, and then using the charging adapter to connect to the power will automatically turn on. The number of the games that can be downloaded is limited to the capacity of the memory card is 32 GB. You can download 3500 games, and in the 64 GB you can download 10,000 games. Just connect the game console to the HD interface of TV. Connect the USB powered power cable to the body unit and adjust the TV source to the HD channel to display the game list screen on the TV. And the appearance design of the mecha is cool, which is both sci-fi and fashionable. You will get a special game rocker for arcade, high sensitivity and anti-skin design. Here you will get 2.4 GB wireless dual gamepads with 6 functions buttons. You will get superb gaming experience, and it supports downloading game and saving game. Also, it is built in 688 classic games for Sega. So these are the simple features of this gaming console, and if you would like to know more features of this game console, then you can visit the product page via description link. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon for getting more videos from me. See you soon.